Where's my kisses, baby boy? I think Mom's a good boy today. Yes, you are. I love you, Oliver. That's my kisses. You're a good boy? You see Mama's baby boy? You're a pooster? I love you guys so much. Thanks, I love you, God. Good morning. Come see Mama. She's a bird. What is Daddy doing? What are you doing? Oliver? Did I tell you to go see Daddy? She is. You're my baby boy.
Oliver's dad.
What? So cute, Oliver. You're my sweet baby boy.